So Pirates, you know guys, which they play a 4-2-3-1, right? They're gonna play with 110 and 2 half 10s. Their wingers, they join in as half 10s. So the whole game, the three, which was Umufukeng, Apolis, no Muremi, they were interchanging the whole game. So the beginning of the game, Umfukeng is playing as a half 10, Uapolis is playing as a 10, right? On this side. What I want you to focus on whoever's got the ball here as a winger and then as a 10. This guy would always pass. This guy will always make a run. Actually, he passed from here. It happened in the first minute, and I'm going to show you a clip. But they analyze the Pirates, but it doesn't look like it. Here's the second clip. Here is the 10, here is the half 10, right? Umfukeng is at the half 10. Ngizoyidlala and then ngizoyibuyisa futhi. Watch Umfukeng looking for Uapolis. Should have scored there. Should have scored Umuremi there, but the ball bounced Bellingham pants. Look at this guy, is ball watching Ukoshiwe Apolis. Now this guy is supposed to come here and press, but he's not pressing. He's not pressing, he turns. You cannot have a player turning. Should have scored. The best teams, they always have players that can think outside the box. Just because we play a certain system, it does not mean Gucci, you have to stick to it. Watch Uapolis here. This is the goal here, Pirates. Ne? So normally, if it's Mfukeng or Uapolis, normally they'll be here and then the left back will be here. But Uapolis Wenzani, he decides with no. This time, let me stick outside there on the winger. Remember what I said, Guti? The winger will always look for a 10. The winger will always look for a 10. Let me play it. Watch again. This is how Pirates scored. Pass. Goal.